Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your Unreal project and loading the Metahuman. Make sure the Metahuman plugin is active. Next, export or duplicate the character asset so you have an editable copy to change clothes safely. Once done, open the skeleton and blueprint to confirm mesh naming and skin weights. This prevents mismatches later. Make sure to also import or prepare the fabric textures you'll use. This saves time when you begin swapping garments and assigning materials in the next step. Now import your clothing mesh and align it to the Metahuman skeleton. Retarget or rebind skin weights if needed so deformation works during animation. Then, assign materials. Connect albedo, normal, roughness, and any ORM maps so lighting reads cloth correctly. Once materials are applied, refine UVs to avoid stretching, and set up cloth simulation with proper collision proxies. This keeps fabric from intersecting the body. Finally, test common poses to see where seams or pinching appear and make iterative fixes. Finish by enabling cloth simulation or baking physics, then run through the character's full animation set to verify behavior. If you see clipping, address it with targeted weight painting, increase collision padding, or adjust LODs to reduce popping. Once stable, save clothing variants and document naming conventions for easy reuse. If something still breaks, revert to the editable duplicate and isolate the change. This helps identify whether the issue is mesh, skin weights, materials, or simulation parameters and speeds troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.